Step into modern tactical precision with the SOG Pentagon FX, a fixed-blade masterpiece engineered for today's warfighters and adventurers. Featuring a robust Cyro CP MS3 5VN steel blade, this double-edged dagger delivers razor-sharp performance and superior toughness for hard-use scenarios. Its black titanium night ride finish enhances durability and stealth, while the full tang construction ensures reliability in critical moments. The Pentagon FX is all about adaptability. Its removable G10 handles provide a secure grip, but can be stripped down for a slimmer, more agile profile. Paired with the next-gen universal mounting system, the Gurn sheath allows you to customize retention, mounting angle, and carry method to suit any mission. Measuring nearly 10 inches long with precision-crafted materials, the Pentagon FX isn't just a tool, it's a statement of readiness. Equip yourself with a blade that redefines versatility, strength, and tactical innovation. Tackle the wild with the Odenwolf Scandy fixed blade knife, your ultimate companion for rugged outdoor adventures. Forged from a single piece of high-grade D to steel with an impressive 60 HRC hardness, this full-tang knife boasts unmatched durability and resistance to wear. The razor-sharp blade, crafted with precision, ensures smooth performance for camping, hunting, and bushcraft tasks. Designed for tactical convenience, the knife comes secured in a polypropylene tactical sheath that locks your blade in place and easily attaches to your belt. Whether scaling trails or setting up camp, your Scandy knife is always within reach and ready for action. True to German quality standards, Odenwolf delivers exceptional craftsmanship for outdoor enthusiasts. With its ergonomic thermoplastic elastomer handle and sleek stone wash finish, this knife merges style with functionality. Equip yourself with the Scandy and venture confidently into the wild. Step into adventure with the Kizer Beaver fixed blade knife, a compact powerhouse ready for all your outdoor pursuits. Crafted from premium D to steel, its razor-sharp drop-point blade offers exceptional toughness, edge retention, and corrosion resistance. Whether you're slicing, skinning, or chopping, this versatile tool thrives in any condition, from humid trails to rugged terrains. The curved olive green G10 handle is as durable as it is ergonomic. Resistant to water, abrasion, and oxidation, it provides a secure, non-slip grip that feels comfortable even during extended use. Perfectly balanced for precision and strength, this knife minimizes hand fatigue while maximizing control. Housed in a Kydex sheath for safe storage and quick access, the Kizer Beaver ensures you're always prepared. Attach it to your belt or gear for seamless carry. Designed for hunters, campers, and everyday explorers, this reliable tool stands up to any challenge the wild throws your way. Step into the wild with the Tops Knives Bob Fieldcraft, designed by the brothers of Bushcraft for ultimate outdoor versatility. This 9.875-inch knife boasts a 4.6 to 5-inch 1095 high-carbon steel blade with a modified Scandinavian grind, offering exceptional sharpness and edge retention. With a stone wash finish and a Rockwell hardness of 56 to 58, it's easy to maintain and built to last. The ergonomic canvas micarta handle includes a bow drill divot for fire starting and thumb scallops for precise carving. Perfect for bushcraft, survival, and wilderness adventures, the Bob Fieldcraft handles carving, skinning, and fire making with ease. Its exposed pommel, complete with a ferro rod scraper, ensures you're ready for any challenge. Paired with a rugged Kydex sheath and fire starter, this knife is your all-in-one outdoor solution, built to thrive in the toughest environments. The Tops Knives Bob Fieldcraft isn't just a knife, it's a survival essential. Reliable, durable, and adventure-ready. Discover the precision-crafted ESEE Campflor Gibson JG3, a versatile fixed blade designed for serious outdoor enthusiasts. With a 3.5-inch black stone-washed drop-point blade made from durable 1095 steel, this knife offers exceptional cutting performance and reliability. Its tan micarta handle ensures a secure grip even in challenging conditions, while the flat grind enhances its versatility for bushcraft tasks. Built for outdoor adventures, the Gibson JG3 is perfect for carving, slicing, and other camp chores. Its lightweight for .32-ounce design makes it easy to handle, while the rugged leather pouch sheath ensures secure and convenient carry. Whether you're preparing a meal, making kindling, or crafting gear, this knife delivers precision and durability in every task. Designed by James Gibson and made in the USA, the ESEE Campflor Gibson JG3 is a must-have for campers, hunters, and survivalists.